Assalamualaikum and what's up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Faris from Umbrella Tech, and today I would like to share with you on a tutorial about how to replace the Zotac GTX 1070 AMP Extreme fans. So even if this video is about a GTX 1070 AMP Extreme, but the method will be the same for the GTX 1070 Ti AMP Extreme. But I'm not sure whether you can use it for the 1080 or 1080 Ti AMP Extreme. Okay, so without further ado, let us watch this video. Alright, so this is my Zotac GTX 1070 AMP Extreme, which I bought it as a used few months back. And after a few months of using, and I realized there was a squeaky and noisy sound. At first I thought it comes from the power supply, and then when I take a closer look, it actually comes from the center fan. As you guys can see that the center fan does not spin very smoothly compared to the other two in the left and the right. So without further ado, let's take a look on how to replace the GTX 1070 AMP Extreme fans. Alright, so the process of replacing the fans is very simple. The tools that you will need is only a screwdriver and of course the replacement fans. We start by unscrewing the GPU shroud. There should be 6 screws on the shroud that attach the GPU shroud and the heatsink. So as you can see, this is the location of the screw. There will be 2 on the left, 2 in the center, and the other 2 on the right. And now we start off by removing all of those 6 screws. The top left, center, top right, lower right, again in the center, and lastly the lower left. And then we remove the GPU shroud. Not remove it entirely, just enough space so that we can remove the GPU fans. Okay, so do be careful because there will be 2 cable connecting the GPU shroud and the PCB, which is the fans cable and the LED cable. So in this process, we just need to disconnect the fans cable. Okay, so after disconnecting the fans cable, there should be enough room or enough space for us to replacing the fans or changing the fans. Okay, so the process of removing the fans is also very easy. You just need to remove 1 screw which is located on the top. Okay, so this step is actually can be done earlier, it's just that I forgot to unscrew these fans first. Okay, so after unscrewing the fans, after removing the fans, just disconnected the fans cable. There should be a clip that locking the fans and the GPU shroud that I show here. Okay, wait, let me adjust the cable first so that you can see it more clearly. Alright, so it's this clip, just a small clip that you need to push it through so that you can remove the fans. So just use something pointy like your screwdriver, or if you have a pry tool, that should be better. Just push the clip and pull the fan sideways. Okay. No need to use excessive amount of force, you might break the clip of the fans. Okay, so this is our faulty fans, we put it aside. And now we proceed to installing our new fans. Alright, so installing the new fans is a very straightforward process. Okay, so you put the cable in place and put the fans in place. So remember to lock the fans first into the clip which I shown earlier. Alright, so after the fans has been locked into its position, now we only need to connect the cable from our fans to the fans cable on the GPU. Alright, be sure to put the cables in place. I will be using the black tape because the standard tape that comes with it cannot be used anymore because of the too many dust attached stick to it. Alright, so I need to use other tape. Okay, after put the cables in place, connecting the cables, then we can proceed to installing the GPU shroud to the heatsink. Next, we're gonna connect the fans cable to the PCB or to the board. Slowly put the GPU shroud to its place and attach all of the 7 screws that have been removed earlier, 6 for the GPU shroud and 1 for the fans. And that's it. Now we already finished replacing the Zotac GTX 1070 AMP Extreme. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.